may 4 pang unclaimed bag sa baggage counter natin. Makikikuha na kasi magko-close na ang ating grocery store. Ayan, okay again.
Magko-close na si Maring Malu.
Magko-close na si Maring Malu. At sa mga hindi pa nakaka-claim ng cash prizes, again, nandito sa gilid, makikikuha na, okay? At ano nga ba yun? May sabihin ako eh. Okay,
yung mga kalat po, again, patapon po sa tamang papunan. Ayan. Hindi po tayo nagkulang sa paalala, so...
Okay, again,
thank you.
Marshals, bad volunteers, pakipuntahan si Mr. Darrell Dianan para sa burger from KFC. Ayan, food yan. Volunteers. Members, volunteers lang. Volunteers lang.
Volunteers lang.
Okay.
Ikaw na.
Okay, again. Ayun ang sabi, takbo daw tayo dun sa sa Three Kings Fun Run, di ba? Run with the stars. Oh, that's why they invited me actually. Okay, ayan. For our closing remarks, may we call on Governor Reynard, President of National Youth Council.
Yeah.
Members. Oh, wait lang po Members, Red Cross Youth of UPLB members. Members. Ayan. Good morning!
Ayan, sige, mabilis lang po ito. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Good morning!
Good morning!
Morning! Aba, syempre!
Natatandaan niya pa. Anyway, in behalf of the National Youth Council, represented by the whole Red Cross Youth of the whole Philippines, and in behalf of our Secretary General, Dr. Gwendolyn Tang, si Ma'am Gwen po, ang ating Secretary General ay nasa Olonga po ngayon for the groundbreaking, ano ba to, opening of Olonga po City Chapter. And of course, in behalf also of our Chairman Richard Gordon, we would like to congratulate the Red Cross Youth of University of the Philippines, Los Baños. Congratulations po. If I may add, this is a very big milestone to the Red Cross and to the Red Cross Youth. Dahil, just imagine ito, isang activity of a Red Cross Youth Council. And this is very timely because even in the National Youth Council, we will be shifting to our program in having lots of fundraising activities per area. And we hope that UPLB will be part. As I'm, tama ba? Maging part ba ako? Maging part ba kayo? At ako rin po ang head ng Area 4 at ang UPLB ay part ng Area 4. Because ito po ay napakagandang activity because we will be making Red Cross Youth a sustainable youth organization for us to fund our pilot project. As I believe, kanina narinig ko napakaraming proyekto kaagad, may bloodletting kaagad, meron kayong orientation on the 22nd, and don't mention talaga. This also serve as an inspiration sa amin po sa National Youth Council. Again, congratulations and maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nag-participate, and we hope na supportahan niyo pa po ang RCY of UPLB. And rest assured to the Red Cross Youth of UPLB that the National Youth Council and the National Headquarters will be here always. So maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Yes, yan, recorded. Okay, recorded. Nangako si Gog sa atin. Okay? Okay. Thank you guys. Ano, nawala yung music ko. Again, thank you guys. At salamat sa pagdalo. Again, sa susunod. And again, this is Reese and this is Justin. Thank you. Across borders to Run for Red Cross, Run for a Cause.